You can learn how to eat healthy with this simple soup recipe. It's the best creamy chicken soup recipe ever, and it's dairy-free, gluten-free, gut-friendly, very hearty, and tasty with simple ingredients. Give it a try. Healthy is simple. In a saucepan, heat up chicken broth, diced green chili, diced onion, minced garlic, salt, and a couple of drops of lime essential oil and coriander essential oil. Yum! Then we're going to add some shredded cut chicken, coconut cream, stir it and heat it through. Then that's it. Now we're going to add a few toppings that just make it extra delicious, like diced avocados, diced tomatoes, chopped cilantro. Yum. Healthy is simple. Please ask your questions in the comments below, then like and subscribe. As a health and weight loss coach of many years, I help people like you improve gut health naturally by starting with a free health assessment in the description below. So take that next step, and thank you for watching.